What the devil is this hearing? I'm trying to decipher what the Mount Pleasant Academy owner, Mr. Peter Gould, is trying to say about Usain Bolt and Mount Pleasant. But I know you're good, and I don't understand it. Listen to me, listen.
One could say an overseas gentleman that I'd really love to have in the team is actually landed back in, back into Kingston, and would give a bit of speed up front. In a sprint of 100 metres, I'm sure he'd get to the ball first, and to also be part of the academy. And if he's listening to this, I'd love him to be able to reach out to myself or the club and come on board.
You understand that? A man who can run 100 metres and get there faster. So yes, it's Bolt him talking. Boy, Mr. Gould, if you can get Usain Bolt to agree to play for Mount Pleasant, that would be a brilliant marketing strategy. Bolt himself did say recently that he, Bolt, was not given a fair chance at his Australian club. So the world is already on high alert to see Usain Bolt play football again. So signing him as a player would be a massive public relation move for Mount Pleasant Academy. Now, as it relates to getting Usain Bolt to play football at a high level where he could actually play in the Premier League.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.